What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about these fake error coins. So beware of these coins that you see online. Many may list them as error coins, but these are not error coins. If you can see up close, these coins have damage done by human beings who have completely mutilated these coins to make beginners or people who don't know a lot about coins fall prey to buying them and wasting money. This is done by people. These are not mint errors, and I really don't want you guys buying these, losing your money, potentially a lot of money, because you think it's an actual error. It is not. It appears to be done by some kind of Dremel tool or even sandpaper. But guys, make no mistake, these are not error coins. So please, 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 if you find these, all of these I have found in penny rolls. I get penny rolls from the bank from time to time, and these will pop up every now and again. And I really don't even think I want to put them back in circulation. I just want to throw them away because I don't want anybody, to lose out on money or be scammed because they bought this thinking it was valuable. So yeah, guys, be on the lookout for these. If you find them, I would say throw them away. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting. Share this message with someone else, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.